Let's see how to do a pentagon granny square. Slip knot to start, insert your hook into the loop, and now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Close into a ring, slip stitching into the first chain, like that. Now chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into the center of the ring and double crochet 1. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the ring and double crochet 1. First cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 1. Again, a second cluster of 3 double crochet, yarn over, double crochet 1, again double crochet 1, into the ring, again double crochet 3. 1, 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, chain 1, repeat, double crochet 1 into the ring, double crochet 1 into the ring, double crochet 3 into the ring for the third time. 1, 2, 3 clusters, chain 1. We have to do totally 5 clusters of 3 double crochet each one. Into the ring, 1 double crochet, second double crochet, third double crochet, chain 1. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again into the same space, double crochet 1, double crochet 1 second time, double crochet 1 third time. 5th cluster of 3 double crochet. Now yarn over into the chain number 3 you did at the beginning, half double crochet like that. First round is completed and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cluster of 3 double crochet, 1 chain in between. Ready for round number 2. Finishing with 1/2 double crochet instead of 1 chain, I have to put the possibility to start in the right position the second round. I am in the middle of this space. I will start with chain 3 and now into the same space 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. I'm starting with the second half of my first corner. At the end of this round, I will build the second half of this first corner and finishing exactly this first corner with 1/2 double crochet. But now from here I'm ready to create the second corner into the second space. Yarn over, enter the second space and double crochet 3. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Into the same space 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 2 and 3 into the same chain 1 space. Okay, and you see I created the second corner. The first corner it's just an half corner. The second one is completed. Now into the next chain 1 space I will create the third corner of my pentagon. enter the chain 1 space and double crochet 3. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, into the same space, double crochet 3 again. 1, 2 and 3. Into the next space, my fourth corner. Enter the space, double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 into the same space, double crochet 3 again. 1, 2 and 3. Into the next, chain 1 space, the fifth corner, double crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 into the same space, double crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3, fifth corner. And now I just have to complete the first corner with the second cluster, with the second missing cluster. Enter into the first space, double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, and finish with 1/2 double crochet into the chain number 3, like that. This is my pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and 5 corners. First corner, second corner, third corner, fourth corner, fifth corner. At every new round, we will start from the center of the first corner and we will create the second cluster of the first corner, then the second corner, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, and at the end of this round, the second missing cluster of the first corner. Now from here, ready for round number 3. I am at the center of the first corner. Chain 3, into the same space, 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Second half of the first corner, or second cluster of the first corner. From here, yarn over. You see that between the first corner and the second one, now I have this new space. In this new space, I have to create a cluster of 3 double crochet. Enter and double crochet 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now into the next corner, into the center of this next corner, I will create a new one, a new corner. Enter and double crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 1 and into the same space, double crochet 3 again. 1, 2 and 3. You see that at round number 3, between each corner and the next one, we have an intermediate cluster of 3 double crochet. Let's see again. You see that between this corner below and the next one, I have this new space. In this new space, I will do my intermediate cluster of 3 double crochet. Yarn over, enter the space and double crochet 3. 1, 2 and 3. Into the next corner, I will create a new corner. Enter the chain 1 space and double crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, into the same space, double crochet 3 again, 1, 2, and 3. Between the corner below and the next one, this new space in which I will crochet 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And now into the next corner center, I will create a new corner. Enter the chain 1 space and double crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, into the same space, double crochet 3 again, 2, and 3. Into the next space, cluster of 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Into the next corner, a new corner, double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into the same space, double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, into the next space, double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, and now into the first space of this round, the second missing cluster of double crochet 3, so that I can complete my first corner. Yarn over, enter the space, double crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3, and finish this round number 3 with 1/2 double crochet into the chain number 3 at the beginning of this round. Ready for round number 4. We have our pentagon completed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides and 5 corners. 1 corner, 2nd corner, 3rd corner, 4th corner, 5th corner. At each new round, you will create again the 5 corners, and in between the intermediate clusters of 3 double crochet. At the next round, you will see that you'll have 1 and 2 new clusters. Let's see together. Let's start round number 4, chain 3, into the same space, double crochet 2, 1 and 2. I have, before the next corner, I have 1 and 2 spaces. Into the first space, double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3. Into the next space, double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3. Into the next corner center, a new complete corner, double crochet 3 into the chain 1 space and 3, chain 1, and double crochet 3 again into the same chain 1 space. Second corner is created, and this is my first side of my pentagon. Now into the next 2 spaces before the next corner, I have to create 2 clusters of 3 double crochet each. 1, 2, and 3. First cluster. Into the next space, second cluster, double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now into the center of the next corner, a new corner, double crochet 3 into the chain 1 space. Don't like it. Again, I will do it again. Double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 into the same space, double crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3. First side, second side, first corner, second corner, third corner. Now into the next 2 spaces to cluster, 1, 2, 3 double crochet into the first space, and now 3 double crochet into the second space, 1, 2, 3. Now into the next corner, in the center of the next corner, a new complete corner. Enter the chain 1 space and double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, again into the same space, 1, 2, 3 double crochet, and so on till you will complete your round. At the end of round number 4, I have to complete the first corner because I did only the second cluster of 3 double crochet. So yarn over, enter into the space and double crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3. And now into the chain number 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 half double crochet. You will finish each round exactly like that. You see, at the end of round number 4 we have this very nice pentagon. It is becoming bigger and bigger at every new round.